Hey there, long time no see. Let me take you on a little journey through managing user environments and apps for Azure Virtual Desktop. Imagine walking into a tech world where every device gets connected to a powerful virtualized desktop that feels just as real as your own PC, no matter if you are on a Mac, a smartphone, or even a fancy tablet. Well, that's what Azure Virtual Desktop is all about. My team and I, we're like the wizards of IT here, orchestrating and keeping these virtualized setups seamless and smooth for businesses. We'll waltz through everything from setting this up, keeping it secure, and even troubleshooting when things get wonky. Now, I remember when our boss needed something reliable that would work across all our branches worldwide. That's when we decided to leverage Azure Virtual Desktop. Setting that up was like preparing for a mission in cyberspace. There's plenty at stake, but it's worth it in the end. I was responsible for drafting the architecture, selecting the right Azure subscriptions, and making sure the user settings were primed for the big leagues. Securing this digital fortress is no joke. Think about it as setting up advanced firewalls and managing credentials with the precision of a skilled lockpicker. We deploy Windows 365, that's Azure-hosted Windows desktops, and ensure they're just as ready for any cyber attack as if you were sitting right next to someone in the office, watching them take confident strides every move. When troubleshooting time came around, I played detective, diving deep into logs, looking for clues to keep things running without skipping a beat. Imagine losing your screen at 3 a.m. Azure Virtual Desktop lets you seamlessly continue with a different device as if nothing happened, keeping productivity sky-high with minimal footprint on resources. We even have our own little celebrity moments. Remember launching the company intranet as an app inside AVD? Everyone loved it instantly because it was as easy as using their own local machine. Plus, with updates rolling out across our digital environment automatically, I felt like I was on the front line, ensuring our tech never sleeps, and our users are always on top of their game. But here's the real kicker. With every successful setup, we had to ensure we're compliant with every rule, from legal to ethical guidelines. We treat sensitive info with a reverence, applying Azure's security framework as the shield to every byte we send to the clouds. And the best part, Azure Virtual Desktop allowed us to bring a slice of home with our users, with personalized settings that made them feel just as content working from wherever. We configured it so they could tailor their virtual desktop environment to fit right into their workflow at home. Every corner on our Azure screen had a purpose and a personal touch, giving users comfort when they felt disconnected from the office. Now, as I stand here sharing the gist of managing AVD user environments and apps with you, I realize how much I've grown from a senior cloud architect to an integral part of this ever-so-dynamic IT ecosystem. I'm proud to have navigated us through the highs and lows of this virtual desktop adventure. From enabling flexible work models that transcend physical office spaces to implementing security-first strategies that keep our digital ecosystem resilient, we've created something that's both powerful and profoundly human-centered. Before you jet off for that next cup of joe or to settle down for the night, make sure to drop by Neeraj's digital pad. It's at neeraj.qzz.io on YouTube, where TechLab vibes to keep us all teched out and tuned into the latest in technology. Subscribe, hit a bell icon, and ride the wave of innovation and insightful discussions with like-minded folks. Until next time, keep embracing the evolving tech horizon.